Ah, life is beautiful. Only I'm kind of hungry. Oh, I've got an idea. Sue!
What's up, Sammy?
Could you get me some Nutella?
Oh, I thought something had happened. Here you go, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Sue. You're the best.
True. Now, can I get back to my business?
Yeah, although we do have some chips left, don't we?
All right, I got the hint.
Now I'm almost happy.
Almost? What do you mean?
Well, if you could give me a glass of water, too.
Ugh. Come on, Sammy, you're the laziest slime on the planet. Go to the kitchen yourself.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Here's an idea. We'll make one thing that will let us get water without getting off the couch. Follow me, Sue. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our show. Today, you're going to witness the creation of a unique invention. A water cooler made of, all kinds of useless stuff. My assistant Susie here will demonstrate it to you.
No way, Mr. Host, sir. You tell it all to the very end.
Okay. You'll need a chips can and an empty toothpaste tube.
What? A whole tube?
You really got me there, Assistant Sue. So far, we only need the cap. As for what we're going to do with the tube, it will be a surprise.
Hi, everyone. I almost forgot to say hello. By the way, what I'm circling here now will be a little valve on our machine.
To tell you the truth, Sue keeps forgetting stuff.
Hey, that hurts my feelings. When did I ever forget something?
Let me think. That A, you forgot to feed Fluffy, forgot to call Samantha, forgot to...
Wait! I forgot to tell the guys that they should be careful when dealing with sharp objects. Oh, come on, Sammy. We can all be forgetful at times. Now we'll have to do some drawing. We'll mark a spot here for a vessel with water.
Personally, I generally don't forget anything.
Right, because you're a super slime with a super memory. By the way, what's that smell? It smells like something's burning.
Oh no! I'm cookies!
Told ya. Happens to everyone. In the meantime, we'll cut a really big hole in the can. By the way, guys, don't be shy to ask adults for help when working with a cutter. Yes! I didn't forget to mention it.
I can't believe it. I forgot that I was making cookies in the kitchen. They're ruined.
Don't worry so much, Sammy. It can happen to anyone.
Something that funny? I'm not so sure.
Of course, I'll prove it to you, and we're all done here. Guys, help Sam remember. He needs to cheer up. Comment and tell me about the times you forgot something. Let's keep going. We need to color our can white with the help of this spray paint. You've got to be careful with this paint. Make sure the table is well protected against the paint. There. It's true art.
It's gonna be so monochrome and boring.
Oh, you Sammy, you've always been into bright details.
I have no idea, Sue. How could you possibly think so?
You're not a slime, you're a walking celebration. No, you're a party monster.
I am a slimester.
We'll leave the can to dry now. As for you, Mr.
Slimester. Mr. Sam Slimester, please.
Yes, right. You, Mr. Slimester. Think about how we can decorate our cooler.
With pleasure. And now it's toothpaste time!
Right. Thank you, Sammy. Here we go. You know what to do.
Yes, Captain.
That was fast. Thank you for cleaning it for me, Sammy.
You are always welcome, Sue.
Now we're going to make a valve for our dispenser. We'll make a cut here and there. Nice.
Oh, I love all kinds of valves, wheels, and gears. Last time I was this happy, we were making our own safe. Does anyone remember that video? Comment and tell me.
The video with the safe? Oh, that's the one where you mixed up the letters and numbers.
No, not that.
Come on now, Sammy. I'm telling you, everyone can be forgetful at times.
Okay, Sue, I'll try to get used to this idea, although it won't be easy.
Way to go, Sammy. Here's our jar. Mind you, guys, it's important to find the center of the lid. Now we need to take our lid off. We don't need this insert, so here's a life hack of how to take it out. Bye-bye.
Hey, be careful!
Sorry, Sam, I got carried away a little. Remember I told you that it's crucial to find the center? It's for drawing 2 circles in the center of the lid. These circles will turn into holes for straws 5 millimeters each.
Be careful, Sue. Those scissors are very sharp. And remember, I'm always ready to take over the most dangerous kind of work.
Thank you, my friend. I really appreciate it.
But not the most boring kind.
I don't doubt it. Just a sec. Here's our straw. It's in place now. The lid should be in the middle of the straw. It's important. Time for the first fitting.
It almost looks ready!
I know what you mean. The straw fits the dispenser perfectly, so we'll secure the result with glue.
By the way, Sue, what would you like to pour into the dispenser?
Oh, I'd pour fresh water with mint and lemon into it. Delicious.
What? It doesn't taste that good, though.
What? Why not? Water with mint and lemon is so refreshing in the summer, especially when it's hot. Also, let's be honest, it's much healthier than any kind of soda.
Refreshing. And it's kind of healthy, too. I think your suggestion is worth considering, Sue.
Ready. You know what? We don't need this.
Here you go, Sue. Let's hurry up and finish our craft. I can't wait to see the result.
I hear you, Sammy. You still have the final touch to add, though. 1 and 2.
I have to say that the stickers make it clear which way to turn the valve to get the water going. And I love that!
Well, Sammy, are you ready to try the most delicious water?
Not only is it delicious, it's pretty too.
And it's healthy, as I've already mentioned. Just the right kind of refreshment for summer. Only, let's test our cooler the simple way.
You mean without ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, exactly, without that.
Oh, I'm not sure I can resist. This craft is too good.
Well, then go, Sammy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me present this shockingly refreshing dispenser by Sue and Sam Stir Company.
Sue and Samster? Who would call a company that?
It's working! It's amazing! No, it's fantastic!
There! We can try it already! Have some, Sammy!
It's fantastic! So refreshing!
I agree. Thank you for being with us today, guys. See you next time!
Give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and comment and tell us what drink you'd pour in your dispenser. Bye, everyone! Good morning, Sue!
Holy cannoli!
That's my expression.
Sam, let me sleep in on my day off.
You're sleeping, and what about hungry me?
Just another hour.
As usual. And for her, I wanted to sing a song. Guys, don't be shy and subscribe to the channel. She's not always that angry. And I'll sing for you. Sam is hungry. Sue is sleeping. Please subscribe and you'll be smitten. What should I do while I wait? Where is everybody? Wonder Woman? Rex? Ducky? Strange. Seriously? Anyone? This is just unacceptable. No friends and now not a single candy around? Oh, it here? Oh, I know! Running, hurrying.
Ugh, you had it coming, Sam.
Like this. Miss me. Hop, jump. Sam's a jumper. I'm so quick. You can't get me. Why didn't she get up? Let's try the other side. And pull! Pull more!
Sam, I'm warning you one last time.
She's warning me when she should be feeding me candy. Alarm clock, your time has come. Quiet. Very quiet. What time is it? It's time to eat candy!
That's enough. Sam, you are in so much trouble here.
Mission accomplished! Toodles!
Stay right there.
I have a few errands to run.
I'll show you errands.
True story!
I said stop right there.
Phew, she lost me. Oh, Nutella! Come to Papa.
Here you are.
Of course I'm here. I can't be there.
What's that behind you?
I can't tell.
Look, candy.
Where?
Sam, that was my Nutella for breakfast.
Sammy, she got you so easily. And why is it yours?
Because we both had one, and you finished yours yesterday, and now mine.
Actually, I was, brushing my teeth.
With Nutella?
Yep, it's the best for getting the bad taste out of your mouth. And also, sharing is caring.
Yeah, then you won't mind if I take your hairy candy and make some coconut candies for myself?
My hair candy!
Not yours, ours.
It's not shareable!
Very shareable.
No!
Ugh, very well, keep it.
Ouch! So what should we do about that breakfast?
Let's make Nutella ourselves. I just saw a good recipe.
Is it going to be a real thing?
There's only one way to find out. Hey guys! Today, we'll be making Nutella at home. We'll need half a glass of sugar, a half glass of whole milk, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, any nuts, 150 grams of butter, and a bit of vanilla sugar. First, let's have the nuts lightly roasted. But only a little bit. That'll get this thin husk off. Now, let's grind the nut in the blender.
I was wondering, will my hairy candy open if I put it in a blender? I shall conduct an experiment.
You should go, experimenter.
Freedom to experimenters! Guys, can you give me a thumbs up? Show her that all you want to see is the candy open!
You are such a beggar. Okay, I'll put the nuts in a blender and see what happens. Look, the nuts released their oil and turned into paste. Guys, what nuts are your favorite? Press the pause button and leave a comment below.
My friend Candy. It didn't work with a blender. How else can I open you? What did you say? You wanna fly? That's no problem! Accelerating! Ready? Go! Ha! You are one tough guy.
Okay, now let's combine milk powder, sugar, cocoa, and vanilla sugar, and stir it really well.
Leave it to the professional. Done. Carry on now.
Right, the most difficult part is truly over. Now let's add warm milk to the mixture and stir it until there are no lumps.
Need some help?
No, you better go deal with the coconut. I'll warm the mixture on a hot plate and keep stirring it. Now when it's hot, I'll add the nut paste. And stirring, stirring, stirring. I'll add the butter next and keep stirring. Don't let it boil though. Look how nice it turned out! When the mixture becomes thicker, you can remove it from the heat. I'll pour it in a Nutella jar very carefully, just like this. and leave it to cool. Who is Sam talking to?
Friend, let's talk man to man. I want you. You want me. All you need to do is open. Okay, I won't pressure you and give you time to think. Did you think? How about now? Open up! Open up!
Sam, are you talking to the coconut?
Being so difficult. Sue, where's my plate?
Why? You've already eaten. This is delicious!
Ew.
Okay, big guy, here's a sandwich with homemade Nutella.
It's so good.
Did you even chew or just swallow?
Why? By the by, your Nutella lacks an important part.
Which one?
This one!
Sure, why not? Looks pretty good.
Will you share?
Guys, did you like today's video about homemade Nutella? Then make it yourselves. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to not miss anything interesting. Bye-bye!